Isaiah chapter 26, we read only one verse, which is verse 4. Trust in the Lord forever, for the Lord himself is the rock eternal. Trust in the Lord forever, for the Lord himself is the rock eternal. So I want to say, God is the rock that never moves, the unshakable, the unmovable rock. When you think of a rock is a foundation. A rock is somehow permanent. When you place your foot on the rock, it means that your foot cannot sink. You can't sink. So when the prophet Isaiah speaks to the people of Judah, after they have faced difficulties, after they were facing hardships, he reminds them that they are to trust in the Lord forever, meaning that we do not trust in God only during good times, but even through difficulties, even when hunger tests us, even when the systems of this world fail us, even when people fail us, but we trust in the Lord who is the rock eternal, meaning that the unchanging God in changing circumstances, the foundation of who we are, that God eternal, the rock eternal. It means that He is the rock that will never move, the rock that will never change. So Banabaka, in your circumstances that you find yourself, in your situation that is not promising, I want you to say, I trust in the Lord forever. Langut, you trust in the Lord forever, not in your parents, not in your friends, not in what you have at that time, but you say, the Lord is my rock. It means when God is your rock, do you get me? Nothing can move you, nothing can shake you, and what God said you will become, that's what you will become. Do you hear that? So we continue to trust by His, in season and out of season, in the rock eternal, the rock that never moves, the rock that is eternal, the rock that does not change. May God bless us. May God strengthen us. May God be with us in all seasons of our lives. During your time of break from school, may that rock go before, beside, and behind you at all times and offer you your daily bread that you need. Amen.